Yo, the stock market continued its pause. What can happen next? Let's check it out. It's Stocks and Hip Hop. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I appreciate it. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor. It will help me out big time. Watch the whole video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. That'll definitely help me out with the algorithms. I appreciate it, and we can have a conversation about stocks and hip hop every single week. And what we do here is we learn about the market and we watch how to protect our money using the S&P, the Russell, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones index. So stick around to the end and we'll continue to learn on what we can do here. So let's talk about the hip hop portion of this. All right, this week's hip hop lyric comes from Al Doe, and this is an album that came out a while ago, Michelin Stars. And on the track 11 Park Madison, my guy spits bars, and of course the lyric is, if they can teach it, then I can learn it. Never spend your money before you earn it. And this is what I'm talking about. Hip hop is always going to teach us about finance, and I'm going to help you do that each week. All right, so let's check out what happened in the market this week. The market was at, for the S&P, $4,398.95. If we take a look at what's going on here, the last time that we talked, family, we talked about how the market was likely going to pause because it was too far away from the moving average. The moving average was right here. The last time we talked, we were way up here, and we started to continue to hold. So what do we see? What can happen from here? What I believe will happen from here is we will continue to pause as that moving average continues to creep higher. Then we will get a slight bump. And when we get that bump, we'll likely push to get to our next level. So what are those next levels? Next levels, family, what we got here? We have to test out the resistance areas here at this 44.44. So $4,444 is where we're currently hitting that resistance. So 4,450 or so. We'll just put it in that area. We want to see if we can get above there. And the next area that we will likely test out once we get past that level is 4,600. So 4,600 upside target, downside target is if we retest around this 4,300 area. This was the critical area that we needed to break through, and we are above and we're holding above it. So we're going to see if we can continue that momentum. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what we got going on for the Russell. All right, Russell, cue it up. $184.71. Under the hood, what we see is the continuation of holding above 180. Remember last time in the video from our last time we talked was we wanted to hold above that 180 because this is where we wanted to stay above. We were in a range below 180, between 180 to 170, really around 178 to 170 is where we're at before. Once we broke above, we needed to maintain that in order for the bulls to have the possibility of a higher run. And here we are. We still continue to hold that. So where can we go from here? Price targets. Price targets right now, we want to see if we can get above 188. 188 continues to hold us down. If we can make a clear close above 188, then we have a very good chance of continuing higher. And price target after that is around that 191 to 192 area. Downside target. Downside target is if the market continues to fall and get weaker, then we want to see that if we hold up around that 180, because that's what we just talked about. 180 is the line in the sand. We want to see that continue to be upheld. All right, that's IWM. Family, let's go ahead and check out what we got going on for the Dow. Dow closed at 33,734.88. This has been the one that has continued to be the heartbreaker of all the indexes because we've had the S&P start to show the breakout. IWM is also giving signals of it attempting to break out, and the Dow just continues to be in the mud. So let's talk about this. We are range bound still. So where can we go from here? Price targets haven't changed, family. Price targets right now, downside, we want to see it continue to hold up around that 34,000 area. Upside target, we need that clear close above that 34,450 area. That area has continued to be dominant as far as resistance is concerned. We need a clear close above that level in order to prove that the bulls are fully in charge. Lastly, let's go ahead and check out what's going on with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq closed at 15,036.85. Under the hood, what do we got? This is the strongest, continuing to be the strongest. And as we pointed out before in the last video, we were too far away from that moving average and we would likely pause. We did pause, and now we continue to hold our ground. So where can we go from here? Price targets right now, family. We have had strong resistance around this 15,400 area. And you can see last time we got around there, we fell down and we backed off once again up there. So 14,400 is our resistance area, upside target. Downside target, we want to continue to make sure we maintain around two targets here. This 15,000 area, one, and then two, we want to make sure that we also hold above 14,600. So let's recap here. S&P continues to be pretty strong. It held above its price targets that we wanted to see for the bulls to continue that momentum, and that is around that 4,300 area. We are staying above it. That's a good sign. Russell continues to also hold above its price targets. We wanted to hold above 180. It continued to do that, so that is a good sign. The Dow continues to be weak. It shows no chances right now of the bulls doing anything other than sitting in the mud. We want a clear close above that 34,500 area. And then lastly, the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq continues to be the strongest of the indexes in leading the market, and we have experienced a wall. We've hit that resistance at that 15,400 area. We want to get a close above that. So that is the market, family. What has been going on with you? I know it has been a minute since I've been here, but I am telling you right now, enjoy your life. Summer is here. It will be gone sooner than you think. So make sure that you enjoy the time with the people that you love. I have definitely been doing that. I've been on vacation. I've had home trips. I've had projects at home that I've been doing. I've been spending plenty of time with my girls, my wife, my puppy. There's a long story with that, but there's been a lot going on that I have been enjoying every single moment of it. And I want you to do the same. This market stuff is great. I love doing it. But at the end of the day, this time that you have, I'm telling you, please take advantage of it. Do not let it slip by. You will regret it, and you do not want to do that, because I would rather have my time spent wisely than doing something I had no business doing. Anyway, take care of yourself. Health is wealth. Drink your water. Get your exercise in. You are the gym. If you see right behind me, that is the gym, because I am the gym. I'll be in there today. I want you to enjoy your weekend. Spend time with the people that you love. Let me know what's going on with you in the comments, and I will check you next time. All right, peace.